nigga fucked the fuck out that bitch. That bitch went 10-4, nigga. Hey! That nigga popped up. That bitch went. Jim Nation.
Jim Nation this bitch, man.
You see it? See that right there? This what Cleveland do.
Bottom part when it blew out.
Damn.
This what we do.
Okay, fuck it. It don't matter.
Fix it.
It ain't nothing but money.
Fix it.
That's what the fuck we make it for.
It ain't nothing but love, man.
Hey, money. That just did that to the bumper, the fender, and all that shit going to be a
Damn, you brought it up, man.
I got it, so that's the vital part.
You need a tote? You got a gold card.
I'm gonna say a jack.
Right here, gold card. That bitch gold. That bitch white. Triple line.
That bitch still looks beautiful black.
Damn, why I have to rain today.